Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So the question was, when will this corona virus illness end in India? That was the question. That was a question asked by people and they wanted to know. That's the reason I'm making the video. So people are very curious to know what will happen in the next few months, or will it long for many months, or they have so many questions. So through the tarot reading, I will be explaining to you in depth. This is an in-depth kind of an analysis I have made. So what I will be explaining to you will be related to the past. These two cards it's about the past, and this is about the present, this is about the near future, this is about the future, and again this is about the future. So on the whole, you will get a proper run through about what will happen in the future. So have a bit of patience. This may take a long time. The duration may increase because yes, this is a very tricky question, I can say, and we have to do a proper analysis about it. Now, as a tarot reader, I cannot ask question because it becomes a curiosity, or it might not work well. That's the reason I had to take help, and my friend, her name is Pratibha, she helped me to take the cards by asking a question, because I wanted a person to ask a question, and since I have a good bonding with her, I thought things may really work. And yes, last night we did the spread, and now when I did the spread, I used the Druid Craft tarot deck. But after the analysis, see, the thing is, the Rider-Waite tarot deck is the mother of tarot cards. Since I felt it will be more and more clear cut when I use the Rider-Waite tarot deck also. So here, the analysis I used making Druid Craft tarot deck, and then as a reference, as a more in-depth thought and process I wanted. That's the reason I have used the same cards. I have taken this spread. I've taken the same card over here and I've made the spread, because you'll be wondering why so many cards are here. So it's the same meaning, but the cards are different, that's all. And I spread the card using the Druid, and then as a reference I have taken Rider-Waite, which is the mother card. That's the birth of tarot cards, I can say. Because of that we can predict things. So let me start. What will happen? So the past card is Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups is about too many options. In India, we got a lot of options. We didn't know what to do. And following other countries' guidelines, we were wondering which one to take, which one not to take. All those confusion we had, and somewhere we took few wrong steps also. There was a lot of fear, panic condition, anxiety in the past. So when the corona thing happened in our India country, things were not that okay. Because of so many options. As I said, this is the same card. The nature is different. So many options, you can say. Here there is a snake. There are many good things, also the bad things. So somewhere we could not do that well. We have taken few wrong steps. But after that again, this is about the past. We saw victory. There was a victory because the lockdown happened. And this is a success card, and this also says we got praise and appreciation from the other countries, but it was short term. The leader, as we all know, Sir Narendra Modi ji, because of him, because of his guidance, things really went on well. There was back-to-back lockdowns happening, and we saw the victory, and he was leading the country really well. Six of Wands is a wonderful sign, but as we know, things went out of hand, right? Because the lockdown opened and things went to normalcy. we took for granted. In a ways, we all took for granted. We all have to feel responsible about whatever condition we are facing in the present. So these two about the past. Now let me talk about the present. Present, what we all are facing is Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles, 5 is an odd number, and 5 talks about problems and issues. So here 5 of Pentacles shows that we are not happy about the condition in the present, and it's a crisis, disappointment stage. We are shifting the focus. We are shifting the focus to positivity than negativity. Means our force, our intention or our attention is towards the negative in the present than the positive. We are thinking more over predicting or over assumptions we are getting, and that's not a good sign. Present, things are not going well in India, and it's not a good condition. Illness, death, and money crisis, both we can see together. Financial and health imbalance. So in the present, it's financial and health imbalance. We are feeling disappointed, depressed. Since we are at home more, spending time at home, that's also not making us feeling good. We are feeling stuck, and hopelessness, feeling negativity. So this is the present card. This is what we are facing in the present. Now, in the near future, in few months, what will happen? So in a ways, we all know this. We all know this. This is what has happened till now, and this is happening in the present. More deaths, more cases, issues have, it's just arisen badly, I can say. That's the condition. But near future is 5 of Wands. Again, 5. 5 is an odd number. This is battling together, instability, no unity. Near future, the same thing happens. We all battle together, but things are not going well, out of focus. We don't know for what we are fighting. So that's the condition, 5 of Wands, that happens, and we don't know what kind of steps we have to take together. So there will be again confusion, chaos. Also, no unity. There is no unity. In near future, this we will be facing. In few months, there will not be unity. We will be doing according to our wish and will. All those stuff will occur. So we are not able to keep distance. You can see here, there is no distance. And the corona virus solution is only, they say, distance. So here again, we are thinking we have done well and things are going on really well, but our way of perceiving and applying the work is not that right. So this is happening in near future. Now again you will ask me, what will happen in the future? Again, I don't see much positive sign. Temperance card, I can say. I am getting the Temperance card. So this is the Temperance card. What is Temperance card, you may ask? The corona virus illness will not come to an end. 2020, it will not end. Till December it stretches on, because this will happen for few months. Again, after few months, what if we think also Temperance card? Again, it's a waiting period. It's a patience time. It's like we have our mood will be tested. That's the thing. We have to have a lot of inner peace. We need to have the peace with us. And one good message what we get from this wonderful card is Temperance. The angels, the spirit guides, what they're saying to us is slow self. We have to slow ourselves, hold on, stay still, stay stiff, and just calm ourselves. Slow, allow things to happen, allow inner and outer, masculine and feminine energy to blend within. Avoid negative temperament, things will fall right. This is the message being given by the Temperance card. Things will for surely fall right. What we have to do is we have to wait. The more and more we panic, the more and more we think negative about the condition, it may go worst. Again, as I said, till 2020 things will not settle as we are assuming, okay, it will be fine, it will just magically vanish from our life. No, it will be there till 2020, end of the year, till December. Now here I didn't get a good clarification. So I had to take out a clarification card. So it's not like we just sit here like that and do things, right? That's not the solution. Now I had to take a clarification card for this. So after temperance, to hold on the temperance, to maintain the inner peace, what we have to do, the solution card this is. So I'm getting the 4 of Pentacles. This is a good sign again. So the spiritual energy is giving us the guidance, saying we have to have a proper financial plan, build a proper business, wonderful, which India is thinking about, setting their own business and starting a lot of, thoughts, whatever they are up to. They want to make India more and more stronger with their business. Instead of outsourcing, they want to start in our country and build. So this is a good sign. And then using the creative skills and also smart work with the blessings of Mother Earth, wisely if we take a proper decision related to the business and finance, for sure there will be a strong foundation. Instead of I feeling, instead of thinking, oh, I have to win, let's all think we all will win together. And let's face it, so we have money, but what we have to do with the money, this is something very, very important we have to work on, the government has to work on, and I'm very sure government will do well. So this is the guidance being given. This is because temperance card is like, we have to hold on, we have to have patience, but just with patience things will not go well, right? So now future, what happens? Future, what happens? 2020, after 2020, what will happen? So as I'm telling you, till 2020 December, things will not be fine. Corona thing will not just go away from our lives. It will be there, okay? Corona will exist. And now after 2020, 2021, 4 of Wands I'm getting. So this is a wonderful sign. This is a celebration card. That means it's a good omen. It's a good omen according to tarot. Good health and also vibrations, vitality, returning to good health after illness. This is a sign of returning to good health after illness. So stability and joy, happiness. So finally this is a positive card I get. Since it's 4 of Wands, the prediction for the next 2021 is January, February, March, April. So April we will be celebrating because it's a 4 sign. 4 is a positive sign, even number. So I would say we all will get the stability and our government will really handle it well. We all will celebrate. There will not be any social distancing. You can see people are together celebrating well. So that's a good sign. But issue is it will be there till 2021 April. After April, things will go really well. We will celebrate. Okay, that's the prediction. Now, I wanted to add on few more things. This, let's stop it. This we can stop because this will happen in near future. 5 of Wands, which is in our hand. This is the present and this is the near future. In few months, let's be more and more supportive to the government rules and then follow all the guidelines given by the doctors and health workers. Let's cooperate each other instead of having all these chaos and unwanted problems. This we can stop. This is my guidance which I'm getting from the spiritual power. So it's saying we can stop this. Okay. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you share it, and this was the message given. I'm just a messenger. I'm just a messenger from the spiritual energy, and the spiritual energy wanted India to know about what next. Because we all have taken things for granted. We are thinking, okay, it will come to an end and it will just go away. No, it will be there. And let's not lose our lives like that. Let's be more responsible about things in our life happening. Have a good day. Thank you.